And staying with Supreme Court, High Court judges taking breaks unnecessarily and too often found a mention in the Supreme Court on Tuesday. Divya, in fact, they've been called for their performance audits. In fact, the judges, they're slamming, in fact, the High Court judges taking breaks unnecessarily, and they should be audited is something that several of the Apex Court judges have said.
That's right. Of course, this is the top court. They're saying that they have received several complaints against High Court judges, and it was a high time in order to assess this situation, and of course in order to also talk about the expenditure in regard to this. In order to know more, we of course have our colleague Nupur joining us. Nupur, take us through this remark that's come about this talking about unnecessary breaks, talking about these coffee breaks that the judges seem to be taking, and that is something that this is a call that's been taken based on several complaints that have come about.
Well, yes, Divya, yesterday while hearing a case regarding the same, the bench of Justice Suryakant observed this and made this remark that perhaps the Supreme Court should order a performance audit and see that what amount of money are we spending on the judges and what is the output as compared to the amount spent on them. So this, in fact, is a very key proposal here. The key proposal here is conducting a performance audit of judges of the High Court, and in fact, it can extend to trial courts as well. Remember, there have been often complaints about judges sitting late. It is not a new phenomena. Previously, also the top court has taken note of judges coming in at 12 to begin the day, and they have in fact taken note that pendency of cases has gone on to increase, be it in the High Court or in the trial court. So now this proposal, could in fact turn into a reality, because the judge, Justice Suryakant, who made this remark, is also the next CGI. He will be taking oath in November this year after Justice B.R. Gavai retires. So he is the proposed CGI, next CGI, and if he wills to, he can in fact bring in this reform, and it will go a very long way and in increasing productivity in the high courts and at the lower courts level.
Right. Thank you so much, Nupur. All eyes on that. Of course, we will keep coming back to you for more on that.